Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump on a Toyota Tundra. First, ensure your workspace is well ventilated and free from open flames. Gather all necessary tools, including a socket set, a fuel line disconnect tool, and a new fuel pump assembly. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Finally, relieve the fuel system pressure by locating the fuel pump fuse and starting the engine until it stalls, or by using the appropriate service procedure. To access the fuel pump, you'll need to carefully remove the truck bed. Begin by unbolting the 8 or 6 mounting bolts that secure the bed to the frame. With assistance, gently lift and slide the bed back about 1 foot or 30 centimeters to expose the top of the fuel tank. This method avoids the more complex task of dropping the entire fuel tank. Now you can clearly see the fuel pump assembly on top of the tank. Before removing the old pump, thoroughly clean the area around the fuel pump module to prevent dirt from entering the tank. Disconnect the remaining electrical connectors and fuel lines from the pump assembly. Use a specialized fuel pump locking ring tool to carefully loosen and remove the large retaining ring. Once the ring is off, gently lift the old fuel pump assembly straight out of the fuel tank, being mindful of any remaining fuel. Now, carefully insert the new fuel pump assembly into the tank, ensuring the new gasket is properly seated. Reinstall the locking ring, tightening it securely with the specialized tool. Reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors, making sure they click into place. Carefully slide the truck bed back into position and secure it with all mounting bolts. Reconnect the battery. Turn the key to the on position several times to prime the system. Then start the engine and check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.